Rollout has begun here. Quarantine cruise. Quarantine cruise rollout. Heading out, man. Let's go catch the line. See you guys now. Rollout is starting. Patrick got everybody held up here. Dude, what a frickin' turnout.
I know, right? Love it. Love it.
It's the best since the early days. It's amazing. Looking good. My favorite 59 with Tridents. We got the Tridents here.
Hey, drive slow though. Because Waters doesn't open until like 10:30.
All right.
Drive slow. Stall this group out as much as you can.
Okay, and rollout is about to start. Patrick's getting ready to stage. And here comes rollout. Off they go. What a quarantine cruise this has been. Yeah, baby. Nice C28. Love the cow horn. There's that 62. Beautiful. Nice. Oh yeah. 65 I believe. Looking tight. Here's that GMC CST. That's super sweet.
The power of the bass in your eye.
Tight. Nice. Late model. Here goes the Suburban. Here comes the Greasy. This is the truck that Robert based his Blue Turd from. And we continue rollout. There goes Hello! Another bump slide. Just killing bombs. 69 Chevelle SS. There goes Luke. Nice truck. Novas. There goes the Blue Turd. There goes my brother man. Oh, there goes the Superbird. The Mopar kid's got to get that one. There we go. Another Suburban. Look at this GT350. Oh, here comes the GT. Wow. Right, here comes another, oh, that's that one with that great interior. Old Rocket. Here comes another 6.5. Look at this thing. Gorgeous patina. Beautiful bikes. That Rocket 80. Oh, that's Steve. There he goes. Beautiful C10. 3100 per series. beautiful Suburban coming up here. This is a 6-cylinder turbo, double Phytech. I can't believe that's a 6. It's insane. Here's a Demon 340 original. Repaint. Looking good. 67 El Camino right behind it. This is all the Phytech guys. Nice Galaxy 4-door. A lot of bikes. El Camino. Very nice. Camaro 52, 55. Oh, here comes old Rusty. That thing's cool. There goes the Mater. There goes 67. Very clean little short bed. Very sweet. Here we go. The Crimson Ghost coming through. Eagle Racing. Great car. Dodge car ramming it. Somebody's popping. Oh, setting off alarms too. Love it. Here's that Tri-Classic 5. This is a real sweetheart right here. And we got that bare metal Highboy right behind it. Good line of cars here. Everybody's starting to roll now. Another bump side. Nice can. Oh, there goes Sasquatch. Sasquatch in the house. There's that Symphony. Beautiful, I'll go. 57. Oh, here comes that monster. Oh, there we go. See you, bro. He's gonna do my cold air intake for me. Nice Patina. Oh, what do we got under here? All right, they're stopping the line up here. We got all the K5s are coming through. They're lining up deep. We got a Hellcat right here. Here comes another Chevelle. 64 or 65? 65 Chevelle. Here they all go. Wow. Got to take up the ride. Look at all the K5s, guys. Rollout. Oh, we got a mix. K5s and Broncos. Pretty tight. Here comes Lindsay. They haven't seen me. K5 line. Moving down. Catching more of the K5s coming through. Oh, a Datsun. Fair lady. Kind of a KDM look. The only shoebox here today that I saw. One shoebox only. Yeah. Beautiful Chevelle. Rod here is massive. It's just amazing how many cars we have here, guys. This is one of the biggest quarantine cruises I've seen in a year. Holy American flag, baby. Sweet. Beautiful, man. There goes that original Monte Carlo. Here comes that AMX. All right. Nice C10. That Jeep was pretty crazy. There goes that Barracuda. I believe it's 66 or 67. I think it's 66. F-150. Big lawn of cars here. Fairlane, convertible, Mustang. Here come all the Fox bodies. Here comes the green. Look at this alive. Woo, baby. There comes the Porsche. One of the only ones here today, and probably one of the most racing in the That's root beer brown C10. One of my favorites of the day. It's a 78 square body. He's got the earlier front end on it. Got the great script in the grill. Wonderful paint. Just all the above, just a lot of good stuff. Behind it we got two first-gen Broncos, which are always cool to see, but we have got a huge line of cars out here, you guys. Look at this, here we go, green light. Green light coming. All right, there's that square. That's Ranchero. I think it's a 67. Don't know them that well, but that's still a Falcon-based Ranchero. Look at the 61 right here. Same wheels we have for the truck. Another 69 with the same wheels we have for the truck, using the American Legend rally emulations. He's got sombreros on his. We've got moons on ours. There's Neville. 69, smooth living. There's the four-wheel drive Corvette. Corvair, Corvair. Neville looking tight. Smooth living. He's doing the DIY Handyman Challenge. You want to vote for Neville? There goes the four-wheel drive Corvair. Here comes the piece together Camaro. We got a couple of Durango Hellcats coming up. This is always cool. I love it when the people wave and they see us on PCTV here. It's always fun. Nice to have a following of such great folks, and I really do appreciate everybody who watches and is out here and, you know, just supports the whole cause. So now we're waiting for the next roll of lights here. Green light. Again, walking up the street. Coming through fast. That is a quick number. 454 SS. Ram, look at this beautiful Dodge Charger. Oh no, it's a Coronet. Wow. Nice. Beautiful freaking Blazer. Square body. Everybody heading over to Wahoo's. I have no idea which Wahoo's they're going to, but it's going to be quite a crowd. I thought that was Heck there, but he's got his own truck, so no reason why. Big line. Green light. There's some torque right there. Beautiful. Nice knee knocker. 63, 64, 65. Great Chevelle. Another Chevelle. God, look at the Novas. Just can't catch them fast enough. Great Bandit. Love this Nova here. Very cool. Cutlass. Square. Drive-by. There's that OBS. Nice Ford. 36. Oh yeah, baby. I think that was a Studi. There's first Lincoln today. Nice. You notice I've been moving around a little bit. That was a Bel Air, like 63. There goes Chad. Nice little window coming down. My way down the street. Here comes that gnarly Chevelle. He's going to get on the freeway here, and I know what he's going to do, and I'm not going to catch him in time. Couldn't get him in time. One time. There goes Chad. On the ground. Sick.
What's happening?
How you doing, brother?
Good, man. How you been?
Good, man. I was just saying, you don't see dualies on the ground like this. It's like, hey, look who rolls up in a camper special. Where'd you find this?
Pulled it out of a farm.
Did you?
Yeah.
What's in it?
LS.
5.3.
Perfect. I got an LS 5.3. We just finished my little step side. It's parked over there. It's pearl white. It's yeah. This thing's great. I love it. Bagged and tagged and the whole shot. Sick. Got it.
See you at the shop.
What's that?
I'll see you around at Darren's shop.
You got it, brother. Good to see you. Love that guy. Nice bump side.
It's like the moon face.
Pick up Mustangs. I'm gonna go ahead and call it here for rollout. I've got to get down to Chihuahuas, but there's this, oh, look at the twin Camaros here, double banded Camaros. Look at this. Vinyl top. Nice cam. Sounds good. Love the sound of that cam. Oh, he's gonna open his dumps? I might get to flip your dump. Beautiful 68 right behind it. There's the burrows and the rallies with the beauty rings. This is top-notch stuff right here. She's a sweetheart, absolute sweetheart. And right behind it too is just amazing. Just top. Got a Corvair convertible behind it. I don't know if it's a Corsa or a Monza. And then we got a '69 Chevelle in front of that. There they go. Bump side, the freeway. There comes a split bumper, 73 T28. See you guys. All right. Oh, and Walter. We got Walter heading out. My brother Walter. What a fun day, huh?
Yeah.
And it's only started.
I know.
It's just begun. Good to see you, bud. Always fun to see Walt. Look at his truck too, man. This thing is just a gorgeous 3-window 3100 first series. I believe it's a 54. Is it a 54 or an early 55?
That's 54.
It is a 54. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Just really sweet. Look at this guy. What a moron coming out of here. Oh, that's how we get shut down. That's how we get shut down. Never good. But he's going to get squirrely and stupid, so I'm going to back up a little bit because this guy's got me a little nervous. Not Walter. All right, here we go. Here come the Chevys. Here comes this bananas. Oh, he went cold. C10 going out. Oh, here comes the Unimog. And here comes the Phytech Unimog, or actually it's Optima batteries. Awesome. Dude, look at the Optimum battery Unimog. This is awesome. And they're asking me for directions. We got McLeod here. Woo-hoo! Almost stepped off the curb. That's a sweetie. All right, guys. I think this is a good way to end her up. I don't want to leave, but I got to get in my truck and get going too. So that's let's just start walking. I'm gonna walk back. Catch all the rest of the Stangs. Get these guys before they roll out. Great group of cars right here. Beautiful fastback. Look at this 69 right here. Woo, doggy. walking back. It's thinning down. VW is heading out. Beautiful. Love that little peach bug. Oh, here comes that javelin. Well, Johnny, what do you think? I'm calling it. I got to get in my truck and go.
We're about to leave too.
Yeah, I think we're going to do it. So, yes, sir. What a rollout here at Quarantine Cruise 25. Take care, brother.